Okay, one computer-controlled hot wire foam cutting machine. Um, it cuts using a hot wire, and that piece of wire is right here. I doubt that you can even see it, especially with my hand shaking like that. There is a vertical axis that takes the wire, which is right here, up and down on these slides. And there is a rolling axis that goes that way that takes the wire back and forth on both sides. The wire ends can move independently of one another to make a tapered piece. There's a grid that I drew up. Part of cutting the foam is getting the foam positioned correctly and telling the computer where the foam is so it knows what to do with it. There's the power unit. That's the controller right there. That is a mouse that I got in 1997. And that is the power for the hot wire. Computer sits there. It's an old computer. And that is a hot wire foam cutting machine. And in a second I'll show you what it can make. In a second I'll show you